Welcome to EKTV. Today, a strong magnitude 5.7 was occurred in Bosnia. The quake hits Bosnia today, 22nd April 2022, 11 p.m. local time, and 10 kilometers shallow depth. European Mediterranean Seismological Center is the first agency to report this quake with magnitude 5.7, and US Geological Survey also report this quake with same magnitude. The exact magnitude, epicenter and depth might be revised in next few hours or minutes. At the end, please like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel for more updates.